Greetings, lovely creatures. Adriana here, and as you remember, I did a ritual, well, two actually, but the outcome was underwhelming. So I decided to try again. Well, third time's the charm, right? Also, I think I'm now more ready than ever as I deepened my knowledge about vampires and their powers, so I want to try it again. Today I once again brought a sacrifice as an offering for entities of the night. So let's try this. Entia cosmica, Domini nostri vampiri, benedicto nonem, vestram mihi date, ut purus fiam, ut sanguini umbris et tenebris adliger, ut fidelis servus vester fiam, ut unus ex vobis sim, devotinem et animam meam vobis offero. In spe ut votam mea implantur, sinite me stare vobiscum super sepulcra, et in vutrum mortis ridere. Immortalitate in venis meis, servus sanguinis sinite me esse. I feel so calm this time, like I did everything right, or everything I could to make it this work. I really hope it will happen. I'm done today, so thanks for watching. I hope you liked it. Please leave like and subscribe, and for more content follow me on my social media. And until next time, bye bye and good night, guys. And don't forget to pray to all vampiric lords.